So what I'm going to do here in this video is show what we got two bedrooms back to back, and I don't have enough carpet to do it without seaming it unless I do it this way that I'm fixing to show you right here. It's a little way of cheating some seams if you're a little short on carpet. So I kind of draw a little diagram right here, and then I'll show you the actual rooms itself. So excluding this room right here, okay? We're not doing that. These two right here, see how this is a closet right here, and this is a closet right here to this room. This is a closet to this room. So from here, from this wall here to this wall here, not counting the closet, is 11 foot. From the back of the closet to this wall here is 12.6. And that's what I've been allowed with carpet. So if that's the case, I would have to take this piece that cuts out right here of this room, bring it around here to this room right here, and seam it on this closet right here. But what I want to do is, I call it Jack and Jill. I want to take and just notch my piece of carpet out like that, out in the driveway, and then when I bring it in, it's going to fit in the closet. And what that does, that leaves the extra notch on my next piece right here for this closet. That way I don't have to seam my closet on. It's already left on there, okay? And I'll still get by with only using 37 feet for all three of these rooms, because that's what I've got. So I want to take some measurements here and go ahead and get this marked out real quick. I want to get some pretty specific measurements right here. This room is actually that room. If you'll see right here, this room right here is the room I'm standing in right now, okay? This room right here is this room right here, and that's what I want to measure. When I measure up here, I'm going to measure up all the way to the end and over how far the closet comes, and I'll just make that little notch in my piece in the driveway. So let me go ahead and take a couple measurements real quick, and I'll let you watch. So coming from that back wall all the way into the back of the closet, I got about 12.4½. So you always want to leave yourself about 3 inches. So I'm going to do about 12.7, 12.8 will be fine for that, okay? So I know this long point right here to the end of the wall here, it needs to be 12 foot and 8 inches. I hope you guys can follow this diagram. I'm no artist by no means, okay? Now all I need to do is measure the width of the closet. And it looks like I can do 5 foot, and that's giving me 3 extra inches. So I'm going to actually do about 5'1" just to be safe, because it's actually 4'9" wall to wall. So the back of my closet right here, I'm going to do 4'9". Okay, and now my next measurement needs to be from here to here, okay? What did I say, 4'9"? Yeah, I meant 5'1". Okay, so this is going to be about 10 foot and 3 inches, because it's 10 foot net. I want to change this. I meant to do that 5'1". I'm glad my wife is here paying attention to me. 5 foot and 1 inch, and from here to here is 10'3", 10'3", and that should be all the measurements that I need right there. So let's go out in the driveway and cut it up. So the diagram that I got here on paper, I'm just going to cut it straight out of this piece right here. So I'm going to go up 12.8, over 5.1 on that end, up 10.3, and straight over, okay? I want to measure over 5.1 because this is actually the back of the closet. Right there. Okay, from this side I need to be up 10 foot and 3 inches. Over to the edge. Where this cut is coming in this way, I want to make sure I stop on 5 foot and 1 inches and bring it straight up to meet this other 5.1 right here, okay? There we have it. This is that bedroom. We'll go ahead and take it in and roll it out and let you see. And then we'll do the other one the same way. Beds I measured off of this wall over, that's going to be the wall that I want to make sure I get pretty close. All the extra can be this direction. It's really nice here in the desert because it gets real hot. Makes the carpet easy to work with, easy to stretch and stuff. To an extent, as you can see, it keeps wrinkling up. That's because it's just so warm from the heat outside. This thin carpet. Sometimes we'll get like a dish rag. Just real pliable. Okay. So you can see that I got enough here. Got enough up there. And it looks like I might need to come over just a bit before I do any cutting. Yeah, I think I want to do just a little bit. Twisting around on this here. Okay. Now if you'll come right here. Enough. We got plenty enough everywhere. Now the piece that's left out in the driveway should fall right in that other room, just like this room fell in this room. So let's check it out real fast. Roll it out and get that cob out so I can bend it. So if you notice, I'm starting on the same end as I did in there, and my cutout for my closet is now on this side, which is going to be more than enough. We're going to have a lot extra on that one because I cut the other one so close, but that's okay. Alrighty. I'll go ahead and cut this down because I'll be stretching from that direction first, and then you see that it's going to be more than enough. Look pretty straight. Okay, so had I not done that, had I not cut it out in the way I just did, notched it out, I call it Jack and Jill, this would have been the extent of what carpet I had left, because this is the actual cut where the closet ended in the other room. So that only would have went about right here in the closet. Then I would have had to have a seam right there. So marking it out and cutting it and stuff like that takes just a couple minutes to draw a little diagram. I did a little bit extra there just so you could get the gist of what I was talking about. Anytime you got two rooms back to back like that, you can do that. And if the customer's on a budget or something like that, you can save them a few bucks by doing that. You know, a couple extra feet of carpet or whatever. And plus it'll, if you ever get close on seams, if you ever get close to where you don't have enough and you're going to have to seam it, which was my case right here, you know, that took a couple minutes to measure that, but ultimately I don't have to make a seam there. I don't have to make a couple trips in and out, bringing all my seaming stuff in. I have 0 seams on this whole job now. I got everything laid in, ready to go. I'm ready to stretch in. 0 seams. Once again, if you came to my channel looking for some help and you found something, maybe give you a little bit of help or something on your jobs or something, hit the subscribe button right up here. Don't forget to hit the like button. That causes my videos to get further up on the ranking, whatever you call it, ranking bar or whatever, whenever people are searching different things. So it helps get my videos out there where people can see them more, the more likes they got, which ultimately helps me out. So thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. Okay.